today's question, we have N and S are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Their capitals are rupees 4 lakhs and rupees 2 lakhs respectively. Both partners are entitled to interest on capital at 12% per annum. S is entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per month. Profit before providing for interest on capital and partner's salary for the year ended 31st March 2026 was 60,000 rupees. Show the distribution of profits. Okay, so first let us plot the data. The capital of N is 4 lakhs. The capital of S is 2 lakhs. So this is the capitals. The next step, I am planning to find out how much are the total appropriations for each partner. Total appropriations to each partners. Total appropriations to each partner. So the first appropriation is interest on capital. Interest on capital is 12% per annum. So 12% of 4 lakhs will be 48,000 interest on capital for N, and 12% on 2 lakhs will be 24,000 for S. This is first data. Second data is salary to partner. As per agreement, there is no salary for N, but there is salary for S, which is 6,000 per month. If it is 6,000 per month, how much is it for the whole year? So it will be 72,000 rupees. So let us find out how much is the total of appropriation for each partner and then for the firm. For partner N it is 48,000 and for partner S it is 96,000. You add 48,000 and 96,000, 1,44,000. So what does this mean? This means that the firm should have at least 1,44,000 of profit for the partners to get unrestricted amount of appropriations as specified in their original deed. The total of appropriations is 1,44,000. But what is the given profit in the question? Unfortunately, N and S, the firm, put together, they earned only 60,000, which means their profit itself is only 60,000. How can they have an appropriation of 1,44,000? Therefore, the answer is the appropriations will be restricted. The appropriations will be restricted to the extent of only 60,000. Okay, the question is, partners are going to get only 60,000 in total. Who is going to get how much is the next question. So N and S, their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Is this 60,000 going to be distributed in the ratio of 2:1? The answer is no. You cannot use profit sharing ratio for this. Then at what ratio this 60,000 will be distributed? So this is an inadequate profit situation. In that situation, you have to plot all the appropriations as how it is given in the question. Arrive at the total of all the appropriations. So here we have 48,000 and 96,000. Calculate in what ratio those appropriations are. 48 is to 96. Therefore, the answer will be 1:2. Therefore, we have got the answer. This 60,000, in what ratio it will be distributed between N and S? It will be distributed between N and S in the ratio of their total appropriation, which is 1:2. Therefore, N will get a final profit distribution of 20,000 and S will get a final profit distribution of 40,000. So step 1 is just plot down all appropriations as how it is given in the question. Just plot down all the appropriations. Step number 2 is figure out, yes, there is an inadequate profit situation. That is step number 2. And step number 3 is deciding in what ratio the appropriations are finally given. And then step number 4 is going ahead with distributing the available profit in the ratio of total appropriations. I hope you understood the solution. I will see you in the next question. Thank you and bye bye.